Right, the first thing we need to do is get to the site and the administrative controls for it. So here we go. And it's already there, devoncountryferrets.co.uk/administrator. I'm going straight in because I logged in recently, so I don't need to put my username and password in. Then we need to go to Components and Fokker Gallery. So if we scroll down to Fokker Gallery and then choose Images. Right, what I actually forgot to do there is we want to create a category for this. So we'll create a category. We're calling it, was it More Pics Day 17? Let's have a look. I've already put them in, so in my Stellids folder. And we've got a header, day 24, so it's day 24. Right, so let's create a category called day 24. Now, one of the reasons we want to create another category is it keeps it tidy, but secondly, if you've got any images and name the same, e.g. image 001, if you don't categorize them, image 001 on day 24 could well overwrite an image 001 you may have in day 17, and we don't want that to happen. So we'll key in there day 24, and then we'll select the parent category, and we're going to choose the 212 breeding season, and I can see that I called the other one Kits Day 17 there, so I will call this Kits Day 24. So let's go back there, Kits Day 24. Right. And we can, we need to select a folder for that. We haven't got one that we're going to put them into, so I'll click that select folder button there, and that takes us to our folders. Now you can see there's a folder called DCF, which I've called Devon for Devon Country Ferrets. So if we go into that, and we can see there's another one there, 2012 breeding season amongst the others, so we'll go into there, I think it's in there, and we've got Kits Day 17. Notice there's no spacing between the words, because when on a Linux server we don't usually like putting spaces in because Linux doesn't like them, and we're not showing this anywhere, so it doesn't matter. We'll put in Kits Day 24 there. So we've created a category called Kits Day 24, and now we've created a folder called Kits Day 24. Now what we need to do is choose it. We don't just click on it because that'll just take us into it. What we click is that little down arrow there on the right. So we'll click that, insert folder, and as you can see, it's put it in the category folder there. And now we can click save and close. Right, so the category is created, and now you can see it there, Kits 212 breeding season, Kits Day 24. So now we want to put some images into that. So if we go into our images there, and you can see there's plenty of images there, but what we want to do is add some more. So we want to add more than one at once. So if we go up to the multiple add there, we'll click on the multiple add, and that's popped up. This is a Java applet that it wants to run. We'll click I accept and run, and that's for the uploading more than one. Now for some reason this doesn't seem to have any effect. I'll choose the category there anyway, and as you can see there we've got the multiple upload and Java upload down the bottom there. We're going to use the multiple upload, so we hit that middle button there. Right, so we're in the upload, multi-upload, and we'll select the category there. We'll select Kits Day 24, and then we've got folders down here. We'll choose DCF for Devon Country Ferrets, 2012 breeding season, and then Kits Day 24. Our categories change back again. We'll select that, Kits Day 24. Add the images, into pictures, into my Stellids folder, day 24, and we'll select Control A to select them all. Click the open button, and then click the start upload. And now it'll start uploading our files. 2 of 8, 3, and so on until they've all uploaded. Right, that's 8 of 8 files, all uploaded, and they're in the right place. Now, that is not enough. I'll just click the close button. Alright, I'll go back to my multiple add. That's right. Right, so now we've done that, we're going to our folder DCF there. It's asking to run the application again. We'll just click yes to get rid of that. And then into 2012 breeding season, kits day 24. And there's our list of files that we just uploaded. Now we'll use that checkbox there to select all the files. And then we select our category again. 2012 breeding season, kits day 24. And then we select save and close. Now what's going to happen that didn't happen before is it will create thumbnails for us. And there it is generating the thumbnails. Once that's done, we know it's uploaded them properly. Right, so we've got our images now and they're in a gallery. So what we need to do is create the gallery in our menus to show them. Now click the view site button here. That'll open in a new tab the actual site, and there we can see we've got kits day 17. So we've decided we're going to put it in the gallery menu and we'll put kits day 24 below kits day 17. Right, so now we need to add our gallery to a menu. So we go into menus, main menu, and then add a menu item. Now, what we need to do, ignore the emails that I've got coming in, it's just after midnight, so my backups are happening. Click the menu item type, and the menu item type we want here is a Fokker Gallery Cooliris 3D wall. And we're going to call it Kits Day 24. This is actually what will be displayed in that drop-down menu there. Right, so Kits Day 24. We choose our category over on the side there, which is Kits Day 24. And then in our basic options, by default it's 600 by 370. We don't want that. It's 940 by 600. And we'll do that there. Everything's looking good there, except we want the parent to be not menu item root, that'll put it in the main menu. We want to put it in our gallery there, and then we can just save that. Now even if we got that wrong, it wouldn't really matter. I'll deliberately get it wrong just for the sake of it. Click the home button to refresh. You can see it's in the right place there, Kits Day 24. If we'd got that wrong, all we do is simply go back into our menus, into our main menu again, which is there. Choose the menu item there, Kits Day 24, and I'll change the parent item now from gallery to menu item root, which is what would have happened if we'd have forgotten it. And you'll see that when we click the home button, oops, it's messed everything up and the menu item's there. Now, you'll often do that. Everybody does it, and it's quite simple. We just go back in. As you've seen there, we just change the parent item back to gallery and then save and close. Now, you might think that's finished. So we'll click the home button again to refresh the page. Go to gallery, Kits Day 24, hit the button, and where is it? It's still refreshing the page up top there. And when you scroll down, you'll see we've got an empty screen. And this had me scratching my head for a while when I first did it. But what you need to do is go back into your gallery. So it's into components, Fokker Gallery, and it's categories, if I remember rightly. And so we select 2012 breeding season, kits day 24, which we've just done. And then up there on the top right hand side you've got Cooliris. You click that and that creates the file needed to display the pictures, and you can see there it says Cooliris RSS files created. So now if we go back to our web page, I'll click the home button again just to get some refreshing going on. Back over to gallery, down to kits day 24 and click it, and now we have our Cooliris gallery. And that is how to add a gallery with a Cooliris 3D wall to your website.